Hello India, I'm Victor Lax from Spain, and I have to tell you something very important. At the end of this month, I'm going to visit the most important and the biggest wedding conference in your country. I am talking about Capturing Wow. So, in Capturing Wow, first of all, I'm going to give a presentation for everybody, okay? And in this conference, I'm going to share with you all about my experience in weddings. And also, I'm going to give a very personal and intimate workshop for only a few wedding photographers. So, can't wait to share with you all my experience, can't wait to share with you all my knowledge in weddings, and can't wait to visit your country. Okay, India, see you very soon. Bye-bye.